English with Billy-Bud. Verb. In simple terms, think about it. A verb expresses an action or a state of being. Blast off! While that is a simple explanation, there are other uses as well. Verbs are also used to describe feelings. Oddly enough, the most common verbs in English are often not talked about. Like, love, enjoy are all verbs. They share or suggest how someone feels. So, what is a verb? A verb is an action, state, or feeling. Verbs have a number of different jobs in English. A word is just a word until you decide how to use it. There are full verbs, auxiliary verbs, modal verbs, action verbs, state verbs. Then there are verbs we use to create nouns known as gerunds. Although communication is always the ultimate goal with a language, often there are many ways to say the same thing. All sentences in the English language must have a verb. Verbs are all connected with time and tenses. What about those empty verbs? What? Empty verbs technically have no single definition. They are all used the same way as action and stative verbs, often to reinforce a statement. So, what are empty verbs? Words like do, make, take, get, have, come, put are all empty verbs. Used alone, they have no meaning at all. They must be used in context with other words. This can also involve collocations or colloquial speech. Empty verbs help create phrases, idioms, metaphors, and more. Be sure to study all of the videos to fully understand verbs and the English language. Ask your teacher to help you. Have fun with English. Thanks for watching. Blast off.
Bill, time for dinner.
Yes, dear.